Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, exponents and powers topic we are going to discuss. So in today's video children, we are going to solve some problems, previous Olympiad questions problems from the chapter exponents and powers. So exponents children, EXPO should be there. So from level 1, first question. What is the value of 3 to the power of 0 minus 4 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of minus 3? What is the value? We know that any base to the power of 0, the value is 1 minus 4 power 0. Any base to the power of 0 is 1 bracket close into 5 power minus 3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into 5 to the power of minus 3. But 0 into any number will be always equal to 0. So no need to simplify this 5 to the power of minus 3. 0 into 5 to the power of minus 3 will always become 0. So B option is the correct answer. Next, second question. So what is the solution of 3 to the power of 3x minus 5 equals to 1 by 9 power x? What is the solution? So here children, LHS equal to RHS. LHS part we have 3 to the power of 3x minus 5 equal to RHS part we have 1 by 9 power x, but 9 power x can be written in terms of 3 because in LHS we have 3 as base. In RHS also 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power of already we have x here, which is equal to, whenever we have two powers we can multiply them, 2 into x 2x, 1 by 3 to the power of 2x, but 3 to the power of 2x is in the denominator. If it goes to the numerator, it will become 1 into 3 power minus 2x. Exponent sign will change, but 1 into means it is equal to 3 power minus 2x. Left hand side we have 3 power 3x minus 5 equals to 3 power minus 2x. So here bases are equal. So exponents also will become equal. 3x minus 5 equal to minus 2x. That is, it implies if minus 2x comes this side, 3x plus 2x equals to, if minus 5 goes that side, it will become plus 5. So 5x equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So C option X1 is the correct answer. C option 1 is the correct answer. Next, third question. Find the value of minus 3 whole to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of minus 3. Here, minus 3 is the base. This is the exponent 1. This is exponent 2. So we have two exponents here. Whenever we have two exponents, we can multiply them. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. So we can write it as minus 3 whole power 6. But this minus 3 again can be splitted into minus 1 into 3. We can separate minus in the form of minus 1 whole to the power of 6. This can be written again as minus 1 whole power 6 into 3 power 6. So whereas minus means negative number. Minus means here minus repeated even number of times. Here power is the even number, exponent is the even number, means minus 1 repeatedly multiplied 6 times. If minus 1 is repeated even number of times, then it will become plus 1. So no need to count this plus 1. It will become plus 1. So then we will be left with 3 power 6, means 3 into 3 into 3 into 6 times. 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times. 3 3 times 9, 9 3 times 27, 27 3 times 81, 81 3 times 249, sorry, 81 3 times 243, into 3 times 729. So answer plus 729. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, fourth question. Evaluate 16 by 81 whole to the power of 3 by 4. Whole to the power of 3 by 4. Here 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 81 can be written as 3 power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. Again 2 power 4 is there, 3 power 4 is there. They have common exponent. So we can write 2 by 3 whole power 4, and we have one more power 3 by 4. Now, as we have two exponents, we can multiply them. 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4 into 3 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 2 by 3 whole cube will be remaining, which can be written as 2 cube by 3 cube. If we write the exponent for individual terms, 2 cube by 3 cube, where 2 cube, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 8 by 27 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next. So what is the value of 512 whole to the power of minus 2 by 9? So this here 512 means, if we make it factorize to 256 times, to 128 times, to 64 times, to 32 times, to 16 times, to 8 times, to 4 times, to 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 512 can be written as 2 power 9. 512 can be written as 2 power 9. And again we have whole power minus 2 by 9. So we have two powers here. We can multiply them. 9 into minus 2 by 9. 9 gets cancelled. 2 power minus 2. But whenever we have negative exponent, we can write it as 1 by 2 square, positive exponent. 1 by 2 square, which is equal to 1 by 4. Which is equal to 1 by 4. So here no option, 1 by 4 is not there. So this D option to be changed as 1 by 4 children. It's a print mistake. So D option change it as 1 by 4. Then D option 1 by 4 will be the correct option. Next one. Simplify. 32 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5 divided by 125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. So here 32 can be written as 2 power 5 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5 divided by 125 can be written as 5 cube whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. If you multiply, this 5 gets cancelled. So 2 power minus 2 divided by 3 gets cancelled. 5 power minus 2. We can write like this. Again, 2 power minus 2, negative exponent is there. We can write it as 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 5 square. 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 5 square. Means 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 25. So, but division is always an inverse multiplication. So, we can turn this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then next fraction reciprocal to be taken. If division is written as multiplication, then the next fraction will become its reciprocal. So 1 by 4 into 25 by 1. 25 into 1, 25. 4 into 1, 4. 25 by 4, B option is the correct answer. Next one. 7th question. If x power y equal to y power x, find the value of x by y whole power x by y. So here all the options are in terms of x, bases in terms of x in all the options. So here the base y also to be turned into base x. If this exponent x goes towards left hand side, it will become x to the power of y by x equal to y. This exponent, if it goes that side, it will become by x. So x power y by x equal to y. So in the place of y, we can keep this. So here we have to find x by y whole power x by y. In the place of y, we can keep this x by x to the power of y by x. In the place of y, we are keeping this whole power x by y we have to find, which is equal to, here there is nothing means there will be 1. Bases are same, but we are dividing. So we can write the base for one time and we can subtract the exponents. So 1 minus y by x whole power x by y. Like this we can write. So x into 1, x minus y by x. This can be written as x to the power of x minus y by x whole power x by y. Whole power x by y. Like this we can write. So that equals to x into this x and this x gets cancelled. X to the power of, here x minus y will remain, by y. X minus y by y. Or x power, if we divide both, x by y minus y by y equals to 1. So x power x by y minus 1 is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next one, 8th question, evaluate. We have to find the value. 5 to the power of 0.25 into 125 to the power of 0.25, 256 whole to the power of 0.10 into 256 whole to the power of 0.15. We have to write them into same base. Let's write this 125 into 5 cube. So then 5 to the power of 0.25 into 5 cube whole to the power of 0.25 by, here 256 same base. We can write the base one time and we can add the powers. 0.10 plus 0.15. We can add them. Here 3 into 0.25, 0.75. Here also we can add them. 5 to the power of 0.25 plus 3 into 0.25, 0.75 by, here 256 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 6 are, no, not this. We can write it as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 times 16. 16 4 times 64. 64 4 times 256. So we can write it as 4 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 0.10 plus 0.15, which is equal to 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.75 equals to 1. Equals to 1, which is equal to 5 power 1 by 4 into 0.25, 1. 5 power 1 by 4 power 1 which is equal to 5 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4. So option B is the correct answer. Next one. So what is the value of this decimal number whole square minus another decimal number whole square by this one, these two decimal numbers difference? Let's apply the, suppose if this is A and if this is B, it is in the form of A square minus B square, children, whose formula is A plus B into A minus B. Let's write in that form, that equal to, numerator can be written as 67.542 plus 32.458 into 67.542 minus 32.458 by, if we do the difference of these two, from 8 4 goes means 4, from 5 we cannot remove 7, we have to take 1 borrow, from 15 7 goes means 8, from 3 will be remaining here, 3 minus 3 equals to 0, 5 minus 0 equals to 5, 7 minus 4 equals to 3, 35.084, that is equal to here 67.542 plus 32.458. If we add them, 8 plus 2 0, sorry 10, 1 will be remaining, 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10, again 1 will be remaining, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, again 1 will be remaining, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7, here point is there, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, again 1 is remaining, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 100. So this value is becoming 100.000. If we do this difference, it will be equal to 35.084 by, we have 35.084. 35.084 cancel. So what will be remaining? 100.000, which is equal to 100. So 100 is the correct answer. Option C, 100 is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following values are equal? Which of the following values are equal? Which of the following values are equal? Roman number 1 they have given here, 1.14. Roman number. Sorry children, there is some mistake in the question. You can omit this question, children. No need to consider this question. There is some print mistake. Next one. Next, find the sum of the powers of the prime factors in 108 and 192. We have to find sum of the powers of the prime factors in 108 and 192. 108 to be written as prime numbers, 2 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 into 3. So 108 can be written as 2 repeated 2 times and 3 repeated 3 times. Next, 192. with if we divide with 2, we can write 96 here. 248 times 96, 224 times 48, 212 times 24, 26 times 12, 23 times 6. 2 repeated 5 times, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 repeated 1 time. If these two numbers, if they are written as prime numbers, powers of prime numbers, they can be written like this: 2 cube, 2 square, 3 cube, 2 power 6, 3 power 1. Now they are asking sum of the powers. Here the sum of the powers of prime factors. All factors are prime factors here. Sum of the powers, here 2 is there, here 3 is there, here 6 is there, here 1 is there. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So answer 12 is the correct answer. 12 is the correct answer. Next one. Next, 30th question. Find the value of minus 3 whole power 0, minus of minus 3 whole cube, minus of minus 3 whole power minus 1, plus minus 3 whole power 4, minus of minus 3 whole power minus 2. We have to find this value. Minus 3 whole power 0, this value to the power of 0, any base to the power of 0, its value will become 1 minus here minus 3. Here minus is there, exponent is 3, odd number. So in the bracket minus will come. Minus cube is minus, 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Minus, here whole to the power of minus 1 is there, negative exponent is there. So we can write it as 1 by 3 minus 3 whole power 1, positive exponent. Minus 3 whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 by minus 3 whole power plus 1, plus this number. Minus is there, but exponent is positive, so minus will become plus. So in the bracket, minus will become plus. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is equal to 81, plus 81, minus, here negative exponent is there. So that's why 1 by minus 3 whole square. Like this we can write. That is equal to 1 minus into minus plus 27. Minus will always go upside. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. 1 no need to keep. Plus into plus, plus 81. Minus 1 by minus 3 whole square. Minus is there, but 2 is a positive, even number. So minus will become plus. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. So outside we have minus 1. Inside we have 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Let's simplify further. Let's add normal numbers. 1 plus 27, 28, plus 81. 28 plus 81 equals to 109, plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. So the LCM is 9. LCM is 9. Here there is nothing, means by 1. We can multiply directly with 9. 9 into 109. 9 9 times 81. 9 0 times 0 plus 8 8. 9 1 is 9, plus 3 3 times 9. 3 1 is 3, minus 9 1 is 9. 1 1 is 1. So 981 plus 3. 981 plus 3, how much? 984 minus 1 means 983 by 9. 983 by 9. But there is no answer. 983 by 9, there is no answer. Let's check once again. Minus 3 whole power 0, 1. Minus 3 whole cube minus 27. Minus 3 whole power minus 1 equals to 1 by minus 3 whole power 1. Plus minus 3 whole power 4 equals to plus 81. Minus 3 whole square equal to 1 by minus 3 square. Correct only. Here 1 minus into minus plus 27 minus into minus plus 1 by 3 plus 81 minus 1 by 9. 81 plus 27, 108 plus 1, 109 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 9 times 81, 9 1 is 9, 981 plus 3 times 9, 3 1 is 3 minus 1. 983 by 9 is coming. Okay children, there is no option children. We are getting a value of 983 by 9. 983 by 9. 983 by 9. Next children. Okay children, remaining problems we can, so many problems are there, lengthy problems are there, we can discuss in our next video children. So thank you for watching our video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website children www.aimstoday.in for information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes and coding classes. Thank you children. Have a good day.